Hello there, welcome back to my channel. This is your Mike of the Mbadiwe.com coming to you as always from here. Today I have another amazing AI Genuis product from Shay and Adeleke, another blockbuster actually, and this one in a nutshell is the first to market AI application that turns any website, any funnel or e-com store into an interactive lead and sales machine. And by using this very amazing product, you'll be able to use AI video messaging and screen capturing, voice messaging to actually interact with your customers through your website. That means this is an instrument that is going to create a widget that is actually going to have to get the possibility to interact with your audience through video, through voice, and of course through record screen and in real time, and you'll be able to interact with your customers and solve their problems. It's like a support system that works as a widget that will be there on your website with an icon of probably video icon or voice icon, and anybody who clicks on that very button will definitely be able to interact with you in real time. And this is exactly what this application is going to do for you. It's amazing, revolutionary application from the great Shay Adeleke, and it's going live today, the 5th of July 2023 at exactly 10 a.m. Eastern Standard Time. It's an amazing one that everybody who really wants to improve on his website, his ranking and everything is going to get, and that is what I bring to you today. At any time you decide to get a product like this, I suggest you use the first link below in my description area. That link will bring you to this amazing sales page. It will take you actually to my bonus page where you will find my bonuses, as well as of course this link will give you a copy of that and any of the other links scattered. When you click any of these ones, they're going to take you to the sales page where you actually get the button to buy it proper from the Warrior Plus platform, which is exactly where this one is going to launch, and this is the button I'm talking about. So if you stick with me, I will show you through the amazing bonuses that I have for you, which will definitely rank as one of the best out there as long as this product is concerned. And I will also give you a second page of my bonuses that will blow your mind, definitely with software and training courses that will actually make it very easy for you to operate online profitably. Okay, that's about what you have with this one, and that will also take you to the very dashboard area of this product, so that you see exactly what you have in store and how this is going to help you and what the finished product is going to look like. Okay, so for now, let us revisit the very sales page and see exactly what benefits you have with this one. This is what the product is going to do for you. It is the first world application that gives you real-time communication with your customers, just like I told you. And with this, you can skyrocket your sales and leads by copying and just one line of code. Just copy one line of code, which you will embed in your website, and then you'll be able to have access to this very interactive capability with this very application on any website of your choice or any platform of your choice. Now it helps you also receive hundreds of video messages and video recordings in real time that you can respond to using this same application, AI Genuis. And you can forget all about boring contact form, get 500 gigs free storage and 500 gigs free bandwidth, and you charge clients up to $997 to let them use your AI Genuis. So you have a blockbuster business in a box. AI Genuis integrates with the majority of the autoresponders like MailChimp and GetResponse and probably Aweber, and this will help you build your list at the same time because they capture leads, and you can with this customize your widget with any color of your choice, font or design without coding or designing. And here you have no complicated setup. Just copy one line of code and embed your website, and you are good to go with this interactiveness that this application is going to offer you and your clients. And of course, you can sell this as your business online through Fiverr or any of the other workplaces where services are outsourced. So that's basically what you have, and you can buy it for $16.95, approximately $17 during the 5-day launch. And then you will be able to have access to this amazing product. It's going to be another blockbuster actually, just like Brainbox and the rest of them that he has created. So you have 3 basic steps for this one. The step 1, log in to the very application, which is this, to bring you to this dashboard. And then step 2 will be to actually have to customize your widget in order to make it appear on your website by creating embed code that you're going to use to do that. And then number 3 will be install, and then you just copy one line of code and you are done with Genuis, and it works in any platform that you operate in. And step 4, you just profit. As you can see, the income proofs to these very capabilities, and of course that's exactly what you have. Okay, so you can at your convenience actually go through these in details, because we don't have the time to do so in details as you may expect us, but I believe when you come here you'll be able to get access to this very information. At any time you decide to buy it, like I said, you will find a link in my description, the first link, which will take you to the bonus page of mine, where you will pick up the button that will drive you to this very sales page. You can see the sales proofs of what has been done, and this is the great creator himself, Shey Adeleke, one of the top 1% vendors of all time, and you can see he is doing well for himself. All his product has been blockbusters, as you can see. I believe one of these very days, if you happen to check. Okay, so that's basically what you have, and I will leave the rest of the review of the sales page to you when you arrive here, so that you will be able to see if this is going to be for you. For now, let me show you the very pricing. You can at any point you find value in this in the course of this review. Don't fail to click the like button, comment, subscribe to the channel, and use the bell icon for notifications. Okay, so that's basically what you have. This is my bonus page, and I will go ahead to actually show you the pricing for this amazing product. The front end, as you can see, goes for $17, which is this, and the OTO number 1 will be the unlimited version. This goes for $67. You have OTO number 2, done for you, goes for $297, and you have OTO number 3, automation, goes for $47. Here, done for you, everything is done for you. You have it for nearly $300, and it's worth it, because I mean everything is done for you. And you have the OTO number 4, which is the sweet profit, goes for $47. You have the OTO number 5, the needless profit, goes for $67, and you have the agency, which goes for $127. You have the OTO number 7, which is the franchise edition, goes for $197. All these upgrades are very beneficial, but in my own assessment, if you go for done for you, it will be very good, and of course that will give you the opportunity to actually get going with this. And then if you go to unlimited, which is the unlimited version of the front end, which means everything is unlimited, that's another advisable one to get, so you can make up your mind on what you really need and amongst the upgrades, and be able to get them. Okay, so at any point this link will take you to the sales page where you buy this, and it has 30-day money back guarantee for you. That means you have nothing absolutely to worry. And here are the very time where we go to the very dashboard area and see exactly how this works. When you come here, this is what you're going to see as the dashboard when you buy this product, and you click on the widget. Here you can click this button to add widget, and that will give you another page where you are going to input your details. Here you have the widget name. Let's say the widget name is let's talk. Okay, so and then display name will be what do you think, and then you click this button to have dialogue, because you are creating a widget that's going to act like a chatbot in order to chat with them. But the difference here is that you can chat with voice, you can chat with video, you can chat by recording screen. So if you add this widget, it will open you up to another page where you are definitely going to input more information and be able to see exactly what is happening. This is the record button. You can write anything you want on the record button. You can say let us interact. If you let us interact, and then you can choose the position of the widget, middle left, middle right, bottom right. Okay, let's go middle right. Okay, and then here you can choose the color of the button that you want, which is going to be definitely let us put it on red, for example, and then you save the button. Or let's talk. How that information should be added, your email address, for example, and then message what do you think, So all this information will be there. And then how do you customize widget title if you want? If you want further customization, then that is exactly. If you want font type, you can put anything you want. Times, you can put font style, bold. You can put icon like say microphone, for example. Microphone, for example. That's the one you choose. Okay. Yeah. So this is exactly what you have, and then save widget settings. When you do that, you have saved the settings, and here now what you are going to do is to copy this very code, embed code, and put it in your website after or before this very body, which is this very code that you see here. Before it, you can embed this code there, and what is going to appear will be like this you have here on the screen. Send recording. This is exactly what is going to appear. Okay, something like that. And now, in order to make this clearer for you, we definitely have to do what? With this code now, when you put it in your website, it's going to appear like this, so that anybody who is visiting you have any complaints, they will click on this very icon in order for them to record screen or do a voice message or a video message, which you will come to your website in real time, and you'll be able to communicate back with the person. That's exactly what this is about. But in the interest of time, let us just play the video of this, which I'm going to also put in my description so that you see exactly how it works. This is the much I can take you as long as the dashboard area is concerned. And now you can see all the ones that are already here. You can download any of these, you can delete, you can also bookmark or view whatever you have there, the replies and all of that. Okay, so that's exactly what you have as this amazing software that will actually make you work while you are as well sleeping, and you don't have to have all these contact forms and all that, because the widget does everything for you in real time. So that's basically what you have now. Now let me show you the amazing bonuses that I have lined up for you for this product. My first number one is the how to rank any site on page number 1 in Google, which is very important. The sites that you are going to be having this interactive capability can be ranked, and when it is ranked, definitely you have all the chances to get all the clicks you need to get the conversions that will make you money online. And now this is the second one, which is daily profit success, and this will give you a training course on how you can make money daily easily, and how to create a free professional website is the number 3. This can give you another business in a box, because you can create sites for people by learning how to do so. It takes you only 25 minutes to do so. And now you have also a product vault that has 17 amazing training and training courses and software that will give you different capabilities online. And also you can also have the pre-monetization strategy as my number 5, I guess, which will give you access to how to monetize any site that you create with this very interactive capability of AI Genuis. Any site you can monetize, any platform that you create, you can monetize using this idea. Now, at any point you buy this product, you click this link, and then it will take you to the sales page, where you get a copy for yourself by clicking on the similar link like this. If you do, it will definitely take you to my Water Plus account, where you buy this product. After purchase, under your purchase history, you find a page that looks like this. This one gives you access to AI Genuis, and here you have access to the amazing bonuses. Now, the second page of bonus that I have for you will be sent to you by email, and you actually by Google Doc email. When you actually ask for it, I will share it, and you will be able to receive it. And it comprises of so many explosive products. Now you have Latitude, which is a complete beginner-friendly training on how you can make money on NFTs, which has to do with blockchain exchanges. And you have also the number 2, another software, which is a Chrome extension that will drive traffic from Twitter to any of your choice. You have also the Insurgency, which is a training course from beginning on how you can master Facebook as for affiliate marketing. You have also the how to access free buyer traffic with lazy traffic sniper instrument software, And you have also the JavaScript commission bot, which is a bot system that's going to drive you 4-figure daily commissions by using certain mechanisms that are done with a bot. And you have also, just like this product, you have the interactive screen recording, voice messaging, and video messaging interactive bot, which AI Genuis is all about. Now you can also use this very bot to actually, and the knowledge you have there, to improve on your strategies. Now you have also number 6, the lockdown formula, which is a beginner-friendly training from beginning on how you can start and scale digital marketing. Okay, and this is exactly number 7, which is the commission toolbox with over 1,000 tools that can help you work online easily. And these are all the information that I have. At any time you decide, you will have access to your product and the bonuses that I have on my Water Plus account, and that will definitely, believe me, bring us to the end of this very review. I am Mike of the MikeMbadiwe.com. I will continue to come up with products that will help you make money online. If you are new to my channel, I will encourage you to like, comment, subscribe to the channel, and use the bell icon for notifications, and I will be back to you in my next review. Till then, I remain your Mike of the MikeMbadiwe.com, coming to you as always from here, and from me guys, from here is goodbye.